Hello everybody, today I'm gonna do a little bit of unboxing. I just got this model from Etsy, from the store Specter Bazaar, and I'm gonna unbox it in front of you. I see that there is a QR code, but I'm not gonna watch it right now. So this is the first time I've seen this, right? So I don't know what I'm gonna find, but I'm gonna tell you that I'm looking forward to it. This is unboxing of a skeletal model, and as you can see, we have all the pieces wrapped. So this is very interesting. I was expecting the whole model being assembled, but apparently I will have to assemble it. So this is gonna be interesting. So here we can see, oh, look at this. Oh my God, guys. This is looking so good. The bones, oh, they look amazing. I don't know with what material he made it, but it looks kind of creepy. I'm not gonna lie, it looks like real bones. And these bones are, well, he's keeping the colors, so I guess there's a reason why this is purple and the other stuff is red. I will have to watch the video to assemble it. But right now I'm using my phone to record. Oh, here is the skull. Ooh, and the jaw. I don't know if you can see it, but this is amazing. I'm gonna open it. So look at that. Oh my God, this is so cute. Oh, can you see that? Is it in focus? So yeah, this is pretty neat. Very detailed. Very detailed. Let me open. Oh, wow. This is such a fun thing. And I don't know what material he used, but man, this is cool. Oh, it looks creepy. It looks like it's being buried for some time. I like the details. This is gonna be fun to put together. I'm looking forward to watching the video. Let me get this to the side. Check this out. I don't know, it's kind of like a paper type of material. So pretty much this is gonna be, yeah, that's the position. I think it's gonna be a little like that. Yeah, like this. Wow, that ain't creepy at all. So that's, I'm gonna put them here to the side. And sorry for the allergies. It's North Carolina. There's always allergies, I'm not gonna lie. I've never had allergies before until I moved here to NC. Since then, it's like, boy. Oof, oof, oof. So let's see this one, what it is. Oh, the rib cage. Ooh, interesting. So how can I open it without pulling too much and breaking anything? Because the rib cage is quite fragile. Check that out. Yeah. Oh, this is fun. I'm gonna put the knife here. I don't want to get caught pulling the wrapper. Oh, and that's how you break it. Okay, so this is the spinal column. I'm gonna keep the paper because when I assemble it, I want to keep it protected. But let me see. This I think I can pull. Okay. Wow. Check that out. That's pretty cool. And the head is probably gonna be, yep, it fits in there. Oh, good Lord. Man, this thing is gonna give me nightmares. I don't know how I'm gonna pull it all together. I hope that it brings some glue or something. Let me put it here. Let me put the head here. and the jaw. And move the stuff that I don't need to the side. A little bit of organization. Doesn't hurt. Okay, let's see. What else do we have here? If you know your skeletal anatomy of the human creature, we will see if you really know. What do you think it is, the next part in here? I like the way he or she wrapped it. She did a good job. It feels very, very protective. And this is a light material too. Oh, the hips. Actually, the hips and the femur. They are here. Amazing. Let me take it from here. Wow. I love it. And I love that it has this connection here. So, it fits, let me see. Yeah, it fits like this. It's gonna fit actually this way. That's the way it's gonna fit. This is pretty cool. You can see the feet here. And this is the other foot. So they are like facing each other. So this is the other part. Oh my God, ain't that cool? Oh, amazing. Let me see. So this is gonna, oh, wow, check that out. Ooh. Wow, that's pretty cool. Let's see this other part here. I was gonna, well, apparently it's not difficult to assemble. I thought it would be harder, but no. Apparently it's not that hard. So let's try not to break it. So this is, yeah. I don't want to break anything, people, so I'm going to leave it like that for the time being because I don't want to break anything. Okay. So I'm not going to push it all the way through because I don't want to break it, but it's pretty good. It's going to be great for me to kind of get a visual idea of where these parts go. Because when I was doing my crochet, just looking at illustrations wasn't really doing much for me. I was like, and this is not perfect, you know, this is not like a beautiful anatomy figure, but those are quite expensive. And this, on the other hand, is pretty good for the price. So I can share the link later. And now, of course, the arms, right? We want to have arms. Yeah, check that out. Ah, the beautiful scapulae and the arms and hands. So this is cool. This is pretty cool. It's not really difficult to put together. Let's see, where is this gonna fit? Oh, this is the part that it looks a little more like you have to glue it, right? I will have to glue it. Yeah, it would be something probably like that. Oh, good Lord. Yeah, it's probably like this. Anyway, yeah, this requires glue. And Yeah, that's the idea. It definitely need to apply some glue here to keep it from disconnecting, you know. Very interesting, very interesting. I mean, it's a good simple thing to have. It will give me some ideas about what I'm looking at. And then of course I can use the 3D model um, to give me more extra details. There are a couple of apps that I use. Scaly from Proco. You can pose it and you can rotate the different parts. And again, you can put it like sitting or jumping or things like that. And it's a good idea of where the bones are going. It doesn't have muscles. And then there's another app that is kind of like a medical app. And you can download it for free. And it will give you the bones without the muscles and the tendons. But it's good enough. It is good enough in terms of the way they sculpted the model. I feel like it is closer to what an artist would like to look at, and to figure out where the bones are and where the parts are, and the details of, okay, there's this ridge here, which muscle is pulling there and where is this going. So yeah, it's pretty good. I like it. The name of the store in Etsy is Specter Bazaar, and I'm gonna be watching the video to kind of figure out, okay, what do they want me to do. But I wanted to share what we got. I wanted to share it because it's like pretty cool. You need to be a little gentle with it, because even though the material feels flexible, it is light. And I suspect that if you put too much pressure, you're gonna break it. So it's kind of like a delicate type of thing. And it's very creepy looking. It looks like somebody just unburied. I'm not too fond of that. I'd rather have like a clean view for the shapes and forms. But it's okay, you know. It didn't cost me $300. It cost me really not too much money. And it's doing a pretty decent job in terms of giving you an idea of what these vertebrae look like, and how the ribs connect to the vertebrae, and what are the pieces in the coccyx, and how is this shape here. It has a really big, man, I would say that this is more like a female. I mean, it looks like a male to me, but then it has such a big thing here going on. Usually in the books, it looks smaller to me. So that's something that I will have to adjust, because it looks humongous. These little holes in there, they look too big to me. And then the neck is quite a little bit stiff, but it's okay. It's not the end of the world. And here, yeah, here I need some sort of yeah, here I need some sort of glue for the jaw and the base of the neck. Yeah. But anyway, this is the unboxing of Specter Bazaar skeletal figure model. Very affordable, and you know, it does the job pretty good. It gives you a good idea of these elements. It's not movable. It's not maybe like from Anatomy Tools. They have a beautiful skeletal model, but it's quite expensive, and they didn't even have the bone color one. They only have left the gray one, and I didn't like that. I wanted my skeletal figure to be the natural color. But yeah, this is good enough. I mean, it's not perfect, but you can always adapt it to what you see in the books. And thank you for watching and enjoying this unboxing. Bye.